Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Ken doll made to move is probably one of the most versatile and poseable dolls on the market, designed to capture dynamic and realistic action poses that bring imaginative play to life like never before. With its incredible articulation, this doll allows for an unparalleled range of movement, enabling children and collectors alike to recreate their favorite scenes or invent entirely new adventures with a level of detail and fluidity that truly sets it apart from traditional action figures, making it an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a doll that offers both playability and display potential. Number 5. Barbie Ken Fashionistas doll number 167 with wheelchair and ramp. Introducing the latest Ken doll from the Barbie Fashionistas line. He's designed with the Kencore fashion trend in mind. This Ken doll comes with a wheelchair featuring rolling wheels and a working brake. A ramp is also included, perfect for use with the Barbie dream house. With 22 joints in various parts of his body, he can strike a pose and play out all sorts of stories, both in and out of his wheelchair. He's dressed in a cool tie-dye shirt, black shorts, white sneakers, and stylish sunglasses, reflecting the latest fashion trends. This toy is perfect for kids aged 3 to 8 years old. It encourages them to play with style, create their own stories, and discover the world of Barbie. More variety in the Barbie Fashionistas line means more fun. Collect them all to expand the possibilities for imaginative play. What we like. This doll celebrates inclusivity with a wheelchair and ramp accessory, promoting diverse play. If you are looking for a toy that encourages empathy and diverse storytelling, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for children who want to explore different abilities and create inclusive narratives. What people say. Able to move into practically any position. Sits on glitter girl horses and imagined into all kinds of adventures. Love the full articulation and attention to detail for this doll. His body is very well made and the wheelchair is good quality. My daughter loved the set and the various scenarios she could recreate. Well built and durable. Number 4. Barbie made to move soccer player doll. Get ready to compete with this amazing sports doll. She's designed for action and ready for the game. With 22 flexible joints, she can perform an incredibly realistic range of motion. This allows for extra cool moves and dynamic play. She comes dressed in a complete soccer uniform, including a numbered top, shorts, striped socks, shin guards, and sneakers. A soccer ball is included, so she's all set to score the winning goal. Imagine all the exciting plays you can create. Young sport lovers can explore all kinds of stories and make all types of moves. The possibilities for play are endless. Collect all the Barbie career dolls and explore a world of possibilities. Because with Barbie, you can be anything. What we like. With 22 points of articulation, this doll offers incredible flexibility for dynamic sports play. If you have a young athlete or a child who loves active play and realistic movement, this soccer player doll is ideal. It's designed for those who want to act out exciting game scenarios and practice cool moves. What people say. Barbie's articulation points are at neck, shoulder, upper arm, elbows, wrists, upper torso, hips, knees, and ankles. She loved Barbie's movable arms and legs, and played with this toy more than any other she received. Beautiful face mold with open mouth smile and gorgeous light brown skin tone. There is no end to the posing possibilities from this girl. Number 3. Barbie made to move Curvy doll. Introducing the Barbie made to move Curvy doll, designed for endless imaginative play. This doll is ready for any adventure you can dream up. With 22 super flexible joints, she can bend, pose, and move just like you. From the neck to the ankles, every part is designed for a full range of motion. She comes dressed in a trendy mesh top and colorful yoga pants, perfect for a workout or a relaxing moment. This outfit is ready for anything. Her long, straight red hair styled with a headband adds to her versatile look. It's perfect for encouraging storytelling and creative fun. This doll inspires kids to practice self-care and wellness. She encourages them to be good to themselves, just like she is. Makes a wonderful gift for children aged 3 and up. They can create countless stories and learn the importance of well-being. What we like. This doll features 22 joints for maximum flexibility, perfect for practicing self-care and mindful movement. If you're looking for a doll that promotes relaxation, yoga, or meditation, this is the one. It's ideal for children who enjoy calm activities and exploring wellness themes. What people say. Her poseability is cool and feels more like an action figure than the dolls I had. Well made, all the 22 joints move and definitely poseable, retaining the positions they are put on, unlike the other brands where the joints are loose and unable to maintain the positions they are made to assume without some sort of outside support. The kids love them. Definitely worth the extra money for them to actually have joints. My kids barely touch the Fashionistas. All they want to play with is the bendy Barbies. Number 2. Barbie Volleyball Player Doll. Meet the Barbie volleyball player, a champion ready to hit the court. With incredible flexibility, she's designed for action-packed play. Featuring 22 points of articulation, this doll allows kids to recreate every serve, spike, and volley. Help her master the game with dynamic posing. She comes dressed in a sporty uniform, complete with a top, shorts, and knee pads. Everything she needs to look the part and play the game. A realistic volleyball accessory is included, making playtime even more engaging. Kids can help her practice her skills or play a full match. This set is a fantastic toy for children aged 3 and up, especially those who adore sports. It encourages active play and imaginative storytelling. Bring the excitement of the game home with this dynamic doll. She's ready for any challenge on the volleyball court. What we like. This volleyball player doll boasts 22 joints, enabling realistic serving, spiking, and volleying actions. If your child is a fan of volleyball or enjoys sports-themed play with dynamic posing, this doll is a perfect fit. It's great for kids who want to simulate game-winning plays and practice athletic skills. What people say. This doll is always amazing with lot of joints and durable. This Barbie has many movable joints. The doll can take many poses. The face is very pretty, the hair is very soft and high quality. The doll is a bit bigger than usual dolls, with many movable joints. Number 1. Barbie Signature Looks Ken Doll. Meet the latest addition to the Barbie Signature Looks collection. This Ken doll is designed for the ultimate fashion enthusiast. With a fully posable and articulated body, he's ready to be styled, posed, and photographed. Let your inner stylist shine. He boasts long, flowing brunette hair, partially pulled back to showcase his distinctive face sculpt. His look is truly one of a kind. His premium fashion ensemble features a sleek black tank top paired with striking metallic pants and classic black boots. It's a look that commands attention. With his fresh, stylish personality, he makes the perfect gift for fashion lovers, stylists, and collectors alike. Add this unique piece to your collection today. What we like. This Ken doll is designed for the fashion conscious, featuring on-trend outfits and a highly posable body for styling and photography. If you are a collector or a young stylist who loves creating unique looks and photo-ready poses, this doll is a must-have. It's perfect for those who appreciate premium fashion and detailed design. What people say. The made-to-move body pose is really nice for photographs and his hair is really soft. Love the look and poses available. Interiorment articulate et trace jolie modally. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.